Kids Food Basket is a West Michigan community-driven organization. We believe that food is a right, not a privilege.
Our Kids Food Basket mission is to nourish kids to reach their full potential, and we know that getting kids connected to where their food grows and where it comes from is a huge step in helping them understand the benefits of what those fresh fruits and vegetables do for their bodies. Largely, we bring kids out here to get them connected and teach them how to grow their own vegetables.
Here at the farm, we grow in lots of different ways. We use hydroponics, living soil technique out in the field, no-till farming out in the field, as well as fabric pots, drip irrigation, and overhead irrigation. See the pros and cons to each technique, as well as see things that maybe they can take and apply at home.
Hi, my name is Christina Wilson. I am our Education and Engagement Specialist for Kids Food Basket, and I'm sitting in front of our Hydra Unlimited Hydra Max system that we use for education about hydroponics.
Most children and adults never see the bottom of a plant. The fact that Kids Food Basket uses the Hydra Max system provides them a unique opportunity to showcase a plant in its development to children that they don't normally get to see. Foliage and the root development that plants demonstrate when they're healthy and vibrant.
We often use these systems to teach families a variety of ways of planting and growing their own food. We understand as an organization that not every family has access to a yard or a garden space, so we want to show them a variety of growing methods and teach them a way that might be sustainable, a method that they can use with their family to grow fruits and vegetables and feel success.
When we bring a group of kids on site, a lot of times it's the first time that they've been into a greenhouse. So we walk in the doors, they're hit with that huge wave of heat. They usually break up and kind of go all over the place, looking at everything that's new to them, until I lift up one of the plants and the roots come out of the water. They want to see those roots. So just seeing, the roots of a 6-foot-tall tomato plant really gets their eyes wide open.
These plants have phenomenal growth, and it's only been a couple of months. The roots are incredibly healthy.
I'll tell you, every time I pull up the roots and I open the container for the roots and the kids touch it, first of all, they're absolutely amazed by what it feels like. A lot of them are like, it feels like horsehair or it feels like a sponge. And so it's really cool because kids don't get to see how plants, like when you plant a seed in the ground, you don't get to see how that works. This system allows us to see that whole process. So it's really, really cool for kids to see that whole cycle and it comes full circle for them.
Really big benefit for this Hydra Max system is allowing us to grow year round. Lots of cherry tomatoes in a really small space. I don't have to go around to each pot and water or add nutrients to each pot like I would with a soil-based system. I'm able to fill up the reservoir with nutrient water, get the pH right and everything, and then pretty much I can leave it for a full week before I need to check those nutrient levels again. So that really helps us grow in this small space without using lots of time. Our community partners during the winter, that's usually when they have the hardest time getting produce into their food pantries. Being able to supply them with something like a cherry tomato that's a super in-demand produce item that they might not otherwise get, really beneficial. It's really cool.
We use the Hydra Max system to teach about agriculture and sustainability with our elementary-aged kiddos. It's a great way to show them a variety of methods for growing, particularly here in Michigan when we can't grow through our winter season.
When you live in a location like Michigan, seasonality plays a big part in your ability to do that. But Hydra Unlimited offers a Hydra Max system which allows them to grow year-round.
We use the Hydra Max system to teach kids that there are ways to grow year-round in Michigan. So we really highlight that we can get access to fresh produce in the winter by using systems like this.
At Hydra Unlimited, we support Kids Food Basket's mission of sustainability, education, grow initiatives, committed to nourishing the community.